Hey, Ertles. I am... Okay, let me restart that. Hey there, Ertles. I'm back with another vlog. And here's my sister here.
Hi. I'm just playing with Snoopy here.
Okay. I'm back.
If you guys like Snoopy, just tell me in the comments or Brayson in the comments.
You can see that I got new glasses. And then my room is a mess.
Of course it is. What is it?
Woo!
So tell them what you're going to do today.
Well, I didn't know. I just felt like today was a good vlogging day.
Well, because it's sunny out today. I think it is.
Really, Brissa? It's like nighttime, as you guys can see.
Well, what?
So I thought today was a good vlogging day. Good getting away from game here.
If you get in my way one more time.
Dude. So yeah, I do the voice of Freddy. My sister does the voice of the poop emoji. Where is he? He's right here. Here, Brissa, do the voice of him.
Which is my regular voice. Daddy! I need your help!
And I will get my Freddy. Let me pause the video and go get him. Well, apparently I can't find my Freddy, but I do the voice of him. And sisters find that still. Now guys, can you please tell me how to do a live stream? I've always wanted to do one. She's laughing at me, guys.
He got hurt.
So let me pick that up. Let's see if it's under. Nope. Hey, Brissa, I found your strawberry.
Oh, give me it. No. Why are you showing him one? Oh, hey guys, I want to tell you guys something. I got a lot of squishies. Mine's a strawberry. It sounds good. If you want to smell it, I don't know what to do.
I guess buy one on eBay.
What are you singing?
Nothing. So guys, that is not the end of the vlog. Now, if you can tell me where address is, wait, never mind. That makes me sound like a creep.
You know what?
Here, let me do something real quick. Now guys, this is how I make my videos of plushies. So, hey guys, what's up? My name is Brayson.
Hey guys, what you doing?
I can stop laughing. Well,
I
I'm going to do Mario.
And this is how I hold him.
Yahoo! 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 Shoot. Yahoo! 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 Yahoo!
Hey, Brayson.
I'm a Mario. Mamma mia! I like the Papa John's. I like a Papa John's.
Can I try a
Papa John's.
Put the
Papa
camera on
John's.
me, Brayson.
Papa John's. Papa John's.
I'm gonna do a Mamma Mia, okay? Mamma Mia.
Papa John's.
This is my face
Papa
if you like it.
Papa John's. Papa John's. I like Papa John's. Papa John's. Papa John's. Papa John's.
Dad?
Papa John's. Mamma mia.
I'm a strawberry.
You're squishy though. You can't hurt me. I can hurt you. Hold on. Let me turn my switch on. Yeah. I like a Papa John.
Guys, if you're wondering, I am.
Mamma mia! Oh, listen, come.
I just want to tell you what playing.
But that's my game. Isn't it, guys? Comment down below if you guys have an Xbox One. You can tell me your username because I can be friends with you. So if you guys have an Xbox One, do that. Brissa, did you start a new game on this?
What?
Did you start a new game on this? No, guys, I have a cold.
Yeah.
And I have a fidget spinner.